Hello dear fellow of Mwalimu Theophil Academy, you're warmly welcome again for today's session. In this session, I'm going to take you through present continuous tense. In present continuous tense, you have to know that the general form is that within a sentence, we expect you to find the helping verb am, is, or are. And after having one of these helping verbs, we expect it to be followed by the main verb ending with the ing, as you can see here. In this session, I am going to focus on various situations in which present continuous tense is used. The first situation is that present continuous tense is used to talk about the action happening at the time of speaking and still continuing. Here we mean the action which is occurring at the time of speaking, and after that time it is still going on. We have examples of sentences which show this situation. Sentence number one is that she is riding a bicycle now. It means that the one is riding a bicycle at this time of speaking and still she is doing so. A second sentence, they are reading a book at the moment. It means that at this time of speaking they are reading a book and still they are doing so. Sentence number three, what are you doing now? I am eating some food. This means that I am being asked, what am I doing at this moment? And I have answered that at the time I am being asked, I am eating the food. But saying that I am eating the food, it means that I am eating at this time of speaking and still I am continuing eating that food. Okay? After that, let's go to situation number two. Present continuous tenses are used to talk about the action in progress, but not necessarily happening at the time of speaking. Examples of the sentences. Number one, they are building his house as they have only 10 days to accomplish their work. So saying that they are building a house, still you may find that they have almost to work for all 10 days. It means that it is not necessarily that at the time of speaking they are building that house, but you may find that maybe they started building that house yesterday, they will build it tomorrow, the day after tomorrow, and so on. So they have already started and still they are doing the same work for a number of days. So it is not necessarily that for the time I am speaking they are building a house, but the information is that they have already started building a house and still they are going on for almost the next 10 days. Sentence number two. Geoffrey wants to be the best bookseller in the world, so he is studying business studies. Even in this sentence, you may find that it is not necessary that Geoffrey now is studying business studies at the time of speaking. As studying for business studies is not a job to do within a single day or a single hour. It takes a huge time. So it means that in this sentence, Geoffrey has already started studying for the business studies, and still he is doing with his business studies. Now, after this second situation, let's go to a third one. The situation number three is that present continuous tense is used to talk about a change that has started to happen. A change that has started to happen. Let's see examples of sentences. Sentence number one. My health condition is getting better. My health condition is getting better. It means that at the first condition, my health was, but now there are indicators showing that the health condition has started changing. Now it is getting better. A second sentence. Their production rate is increasing all the time. Their production rate is increasing all the time. This means that at the first, the situation was not the same. Maybe the production rate was decreasing or was too low, but there are indicators now showing the rate is increasing, has started to increase. That is, the production rate is increasing all the time. Sentence number three. She is becoming so popular. she is becoming so popular. It means at the first time it was not the same. The situation was not the same. Maybe she was not popular, but the indicators showing that the situation now has started changing. She is becoming so popular. She has started to be popular. Number 4, its color is changing into pink. It means at the first time it was not the same, but there are changes now occurring, and those changes make the original color to change from a certain color into pink. Now, this is all about various situations into which you may find different sentences in present continuous tense. Thank you for attending this session. I welcome you in the coming sessions. Have a nice moment. Bye.